Asymptotes, lecture number 7. Find the cubic which has same asymptotes as the curve x cube minus 6x square y plus 11xy square minus 6y cube plus x plus y plus 1 equal to 0 and which touches the axis of y at the origin and passes through the point 3, 2. So here equation is written x cube minus 6x square y plus 11xy square minus 6y cube plus x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. Now we find third degree term. So we write it y3m and we put x equal to 1 in 3-degree term and y equal to m. So we will get 1 minus 6m plus 11m square minus 6m cube. And we find phi 2m, 2nd-degree term, so that is j. Now, to get asymptotes, we equate it equal to 0. So let's find out the values. So for that, phi 3m equal to 0. So 1 minus 6m plus 11m square minus 6m cube equal to 0. If we factorize it, first factor will be m equal to 1, and then other two factors will be 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. So I'm not doing that. You can do it. So we write the value of c. So c will be equal to minus phi 2m divided by phi 3 dash m. So since phi 2m is 0, so it is not necessary to evaluate this. So it will be 0. So asymptotes will be y equal to mx plus c. Here m is 1. So y equal to x, then y equal to 1 by 2x, and y equal to 1 by 3x, or x minus y equal to 0. Similarly, x minus 2y equal to 0 and x minus 3y equal to 0. Now we write joint equation. So joint equation will be x minus y times x minus 2y times x minus 3y equal to 0. And then we simplify. So after simplification, we will get x cube minus 6x square y plus 11xy square minus 6y cube equal to 0. Now we have to find out a cubic. So here, since given question is of the form f3 third power and first power, so cubic will also be of the same form. So let's write the cubic as f3 plus f1 equal to 0. And f1 can be taken as ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So equation of cubic will be x cube minus 6x square y plus 11xy square minus 6y cube plus ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So let's write it. So it will be x cube minus 6x square y plus 11xy square minus 6y cube plus ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Now, in order to get tangent, we equate the lowest degree term to 0. So this ax plus by plus c equal to 0. And given that the curve passes through origin, so when we put x equal to 0, y equal to 0, then we will get c equal to 0. So our equation will reduce to x cube minus 6x square y plus 11xy square minus 6y cube plus ax plus by equal to 0. Now, one more condition is there in our question, that it passes through 3, 2. So when we put x equal to 3, y equal to 2, and we simplify, so calculation is your part, so I'm leaving it here. So we will become 3a plus 2b plus 3 equal to 0. Now, here, one more condition is given in our question. The condition is that it touches the axis of y at the origin. It means x equal to 0 is tangent. So x equal to 0 is tangent. Now, We can say ax plus by equal to 0 is tangent and x equal to 0 is also tangent. They represent the same thing. So from there, we can get b equal to 0. So we have got b equal to 0. Then from this equation, a will be -1. So we have got all values. So equation of cubic will be x cube minus 6x square y plus 11xy square minus 6y cube. Here a equal to -1, so minus x and b equal to 0. So this is the answer. Now let's consider next question. Next question says, show that the four asymptotes of the curve xy, x square minus y square plus 25y square plus 9x square minus 144 equal to 0. Cut it again in 8 points on an ellipse whose eccentricity is 4 by 5. So let's write the equation x y. Let's multiply. So x cube y minus xy cube plus 25y square plus 9x square minus 144 equal to 0. So here we check the coefficients of highest power of x and y. So here x cube y minus xy cube plus 25y square plus 9x square minus 144 equal to 0. So highest power of y is y cube, its coefficient is x. So one asymptote will be x equal to 0. And similarly, highest power of x is x cube, whose coefficient is y. So one asymptote will be y equal to 0. Now we are going to get other oblique asymptotes. For that purpose, we write phi 3m, third degree term, where we put x equal to 1 and y equal to m. So we will get m minus m cubed. So here, three asymptotes we will get from this value. So, and phi 2m, if we write, so phi 2m will be equal to, sorry, here both degree terms are there. So let's write first both phi 4m. Phi 4m, so here, this is fourth power, this is fourth power, so only two terms are there. So here we put x equal to 1, y equal to m, so m minus m cube. And if we write phi 4, sorry, phi 4 dash m, so this will be 1 minus 2m, 3m square. And if we write 3 degree term, phi 3m, so 3 degree terms are absent, so it will be 0. So to get c, we use minus phi 3m divided by phi 4 dash m. So c will be 0 in all cases, and there is no repetition. So to get the asymptotes, we equate this phi 4m to 0. So m minus m cube equal to 0. So we will get m equal to 0, 1, and minus 1. So we will get asymptotes. So asymptotes will be x equal to 0. And then when we write this value, m equal to 1, y equal to x, and y equal to minus x, and then one more asymptote will be y equal to 0. So all asymptotes we combine to get joint equation. So joint equation will be equal to xy times x minus y times x plus y equal to 0. Now, what we do, we simplify it. Here also we find the number of points where the asymptotes cut the curve. So since it is 4-degree term, so number of points of intersection can be found by formula n into n minus 2. Here, 4-degree term, it means 4 into 4 minus 2. So 4 into 2, this is 8 points. Now, we write the given equation in the form, this is F4 plus F2 equal to 0. So intersection points will lie on F2 and F2 is this much. So let's write F2 separately. F2 equal to 9x square plus 25y square minus 144 equal to 0. And let's write it 9x square plus 25y square equal to 144. And then we convert it in the form x square upon 144 upon 9 plus y square upon 144 upon 25 equal to 1. The equation of ellipse is given by x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equal to 1. So here a square is equal to 144 divided by 9 and b square equal to 144 divided by 25. Now, formula for eccentricity is given by b square equal to a square times 1 minus e square. So b square is 144 divided by 25 equal to 144 upon 9, 1 minus e square. Now 144 will cancel out and we interchange. So 9 equal to 25, 1 minus e square. We can simplify 9 by 25 equal to 1 minus e square, or e square equal to 1 minus 9 by 25. That will be 16 by 25. So e will be 4 upon 5. We take positive value, hence the solution. Thank you for watching.